I'm super excited today because we are finally launching our brand new Microgreens extension kit for the tower garden. So what is a Microgreens extension kit? It's a place where we can grow microgreens and baby greens and petite greens and small herbs. This is a hot new trend in cooking. People love a wide range of flavors and textures and colors. Down below is just a normal tower garden 5 pots tall. These pots are perfect for some of these larger plants that we use in our juicing and our salads and our cooking, right? Now, up above 5 pots, we are adding 32 plant sites onto 20. So this gives us 52 plant sites on the residential tower garden. It's really cool. And by the way, this is a cube of rockwool. And we've got, again, 6 to 8 different types of lettuces in there. We just popped this in there a couple days ago. You can see those beautiful roots. These microgreen planters, these are square plant ports designed to receive a rockwool cube. And you just literally pop it in just like that. And within a couple days, they're rooting in and they're growing, and a week or two later, you're ready to harvest. We can actually cut off all these plants several times. Just a few days ago, I cut the kale back and it's already reflushed. It's quite beautiful. Now with this Encore mix, we want to go in and look for all these growing tips. It's very important. We don't want to cut those back. We want to cut all these beautiful leaves above that. So we identify where those growing tips are at. They're about 1.5 inches up from the rock wool. So I'm going to grab that whole cluster right there and just snip them right back like that above the growing tip. And then I'm going to go and cut any of the leaves around the edge I've mixed. And literally that plant site will be reflushed in just a few days, or the most a week. Can't wait for you to all try this out and get growing some of these beautiful microgreens soon. See you all next time.